We have to come back with the next video of solid state. In this video, we have including the topic number of atom per unit cell, crystal system, crystal lattice system, and words and type of words. That we have to start the video with the first topic, the property of a lattice. Lattice is assumed as a cube, and the cube has 8 corners and the 6 faces and 12 edges. According to this, we have to continue our topics. First topic is number of atom per unit cell. This is also known as Z value of a unit cell. First, we have to discuss the contribution of atom and their position in this section. We have to concentrate on the contribution of an atom. If an atom is present at a corner, then its contribution is 1 by 8 part. And next, if an atom is present at a face center, then this contribution is 1 by 2 and half. If an atom is present at the body center of a unit cell, then its contribution is whole 1. If an atom is present on a edge center, this is 1/4 contribution. Next, then we have going to the number of atom per unit cell. That the first simple cell have simple cubic closed unit cell, and in abbreviation we have talking about SCC cell. As we show in this picture, there are the 8 atom at the corner, so their Z value is Z equal to 8 atom present at corner, and their contribution is 1 by 8. That is multiply is 1. So their Z value is 1 for SCC. That means number of atom contribution in forming of SCC cell is 1. For the next, going on the cell, that is body centered unit cell. In this section, we have to see in this diagram there are the 8 atom and the corner and 1 body center of a unit cell. So their Z value is 8 into 1 by 8, 8 present in corner, and their contribution is 1 by 8, and 1 at the body center, so multiply by 1, their contribution is whole 1, so their Z value is 2. For next unit cell, that is FCC, face centered cubic unit cell, that in the picture we have to see that 8 atoms at corner and 6 at face centered of 6 faces. So their Z value is 8 at the corner, their contribution 1 by 8, and 6 atom at the face center, their contribution is half. So their Z value is 4. This is maximum for the FCC cell. And the end centered cell, that we have to already discuss in the previous video, that the 8 atom at the corner and 2 atom are opposite face centered. It is or your or preview that the atoms on this opposite faces or that opposite faces, it does not matter. Then the Z value is 8, 1 by 8, then plus 2 into 1 by half. That's the Z value of ECC is 2, which is accurately equal to for BCC value. Okay? Then we have to characterize a unit cell. The unit cell characterize and their characteristic on basis of 6 parameter, that is age length, that are recognized by small a alphabet, small b and small c, and their age angles between their ages, that is alpha, beta and gamma. Then we have to focusing on the figure, that the age length A, age length B, age length C, and the angle between age length B and C is alpha, and the angle between C and A age length, that is beta, and angle gamma is between age B and A. According to these parameter, the German scientist August Bravis divide the 7 type of crystal system and total in number in 14. Name of crystal system, age length and age angle, and some their examples. First is the simplest crystal system, that is cubic crystal system. In this, age length are equal and the age angle are equal and are also 90 degree. For example, simple example like NaCl, KCl, potassium chloride, sodium chloride, diamond, zinc sulfide, silver, copper, and some metals also, etc. Second crystal system is known as tetragonal crystal system. The age length A equal to B but not equal to C, and their age angles are equal and 90 degree. Some examples like titanium oxide as stannous oxide. And the third crystal system is orthorhombic and also known by other name, that is rhombic crystal system. And in this, age length are A, B, C will not equal to each other and the age angle are equal. For example, rhombic sulfur, nitric acid, etc. We have to moving on the next crystal system, that is monoclinic. Age length will be not equal and age angle alpha gamma equal to 90 and beta is not equal to 90 degree. Example like monoclinic sulfur and sodium sulfate decahydrate, that is Glauber salt. For the next crystal system, hexagonal, age length A equal to B but not equal to C, and age angle alpha beta is equal to 90 and gamma is 120 degree. And it was most asking in the questions of board exams and competitive, that the hexagonal crystal system. Examples some as graphite, ice, mercuric sulfide, cadmium sulfide, lead iodide, and silver iodide. We have next moving on the rhombohedral, that is age length are equal and age angle are equal but not equal to 90 degree. Some example like sodium nitrate, calcium carbonate, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. The last one, that the triclinic, age length will be not equal and age angle also not equal and not equal to 90 degree. Some example like copper sulfate into 5s2 and boric acid H3BO3. Have conclusion that most symmetrical crystal system is cubic and most asymmetrical crystal system is triclinic system. Then next we have to move, that is the void. The void, that is space left after arrangement of atomic sphere. Void. The space left after arrangement the atomic sphere is known as void. And the type of voids, the voids have four categories, that are trigonal, tetrahedral, octahedral, and cubic void. First we have to discuss trigonal void. If we have three atomic sphere, the space between the three atomic sphere is known as trigonal void because it is triangular in shape. For going for the tetrahedral void, we have taken the four atomic sphere and arrange in this manner, and the space left between the four atomic sphere is known as tetrahedral void. What we have going to the next void, that is octahedral void, and it is the arrangement of a six atomic sphere and the space left between them is known as octahedral void. And the next section we have moving the cubic void, and it is the arrangement of eight atomic sphere and the space left in between this eight atomic sphere is known as cubic void. For order of descending order of void, the biggest void is known as cubic, octahedral void, then tetrahedral void, and the trigonal is the smallest of them. Then we have to moving on the next section. Then the relation between the age length, radius of an atom, that is given with the capital R, and distance between neighboring atom. It is very important for the knowing of the packing fraction value and also for the density relations. So we have going on the first unit cell, that is SEC cell, and is the most primitive and a simple cell. And this diagram we have to explain that the two atoms at the corners and their radius is half in R and the R, that is 2R, and it is on the edge of unit cell. And also we have described the distance between neighboring atoms. Yeah, that is the center, that the minimum distance between center of two sphere, this is known as distance. Minimum distance is known as distance between neighboring atom, which is represented by small d. For the SEC, we have to clear that R plus R, that is 2R. the relationship, and D is equal to E and equal to 2R. For FCC cell in this 3 sphere are present at the face center, and we have already know that the face diagonal value is a root 3. That is a whole sphere in between diagonal and a half sphere of the two centers. Then the total radius is 4r, distance is 4r, is equal to a barabar 2r. Then we have to solve the equation that the edge length a equal to 2 root 2 times of radius of an atom. Then we have going to the distance between neighboring atom, d is equal to half of a root 2 by a root 2 by 2, that is equal to 2r. For the next unit cell, we have to body centered unit cell. As we have to know that the body diagonal is a root 3r, and the 3 sphere, 1 is present at body diagonal and 2 at the corner, and the total distance on the 3 center, that is 4r, a root 3 equal to 4r, then a, the edge length equal to 4 by root 3 times of r. And also we have to say for the distance between neighboring atom is a root 3 by 2, that is equal to 2r, which is clear in this figure. And for the ECC cell, it is just like FCC cell, so the value of edge is 2 root 2r times of r, and the distance between neighboring atom a root 2 times of 2, that is equal to 2r. And next section, number of void in a unit cell. If a unit cell, there are two types of void, that is octahedral and tetrahedral voids. If you know the z value of the unit cell, then you have to know the octahedral voids and tetrahedral void number in a unit cell. First we have to discuss the simple cubic cell, that z value is 1, so the octahedral voids is 1, and tetrahedral voids is 2 times of z value, that is 2. For that BCC, z value is 2, octahedral value equal to z value, and the tetrahedral void is equal to 2 times of z value, that is 4. For the FCC cell, that the z value is 4, so the octahedral value is equal to z number, that is 4, and tetrahedral void is 2 times of z value, that is 8, and the for ECC the value is 2, z value octahedral void is equal to z value, and the tetrahedral void is equal to 4, that is 2 times of z value. Is that if you have know the z value, then number of tetrahedral void is 2 times of z value, and number of octahedral void is equal to z value. So in the next section we have to discuss the packing fraction, density, and some numerical problems. And I have requested you to that you have to subscribe and like the channel, and also your comment in comment box what your queries in yours, and the next section the video we have solved these queries and problems. Thank you.